Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up VPN on this device, how to set up and how to install. Okay, firstly you need to open your web browser to check how websites see your location without VPN. Open web browser and open 2ip.io. As you can see, I'm in Krakow and it's true, but now open Play Store and find Turbo VPN application. Find the app with a rabbit node icon and click install. Click open, agree, click on the cross on the left top corner, and cool. Now click on the globe on the right top corner, and here you can choose the country you want to connect to, or just click smart location to connect to fastest VPN server. Now open 2ip.io webpage and reload it to check how websites see your location now. And as you can see, I'm in Georgia now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.